Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to find hidden apps on your iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone and by mistake or by any other reason many of apps are hidden on your iPhone and want to get back, then I'll help you how to find that apps. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, now you can see all the social apps has been hidden on my iPhone, like Instagram and Snapchat, TikTok, and YouTube, WhatsApp, all the social apps, Facebook. And guys, now I am going to get back these apps on my iPhone. So guys, simply you need to open your settings in your iPhone or iPad, and guys, you need to scroll it down, click on screen time. And guys, after this you need to click on content and privacy restrictions. And guys, after this simply you need to click on content restrictions. And guys, after this you need to click on apps. So guys, now you can see here is the option of apps. So guys, simply you need to click on it. And guys, now you can see it is selected on 4 plus. So guys, simply you need to select allow all. And guys, after selecting it, simply you need to go back. And guys, after going to back you need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see after a few seconds all the apps is available on my home screen. So as you can see guys, WhatsApp, Facebook, Snapchat, and all the social apps has been back on my phone. So guys, by doing this method you will be able to find all the hidden apps on your iPhone. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.